Hello everyone! Has you ever happened that when you are editing your Blender file, your Blender mesh on Unity, on Blender, you change the bone name, and then if you already have animations, suddenly the animation stop to working, stop to be imported into Unity. I mean, they can't be imported into Unity and suddenly disappear. That's because you have an error. Why? It's one should think that when you change the name here of the bone, automatically should rename the names of the same bone inside every single animation that have a refer to it, but that doesn't happen. I don't know why. It's some kind of lacking on the Blender Studio, or that part has not been developed well. It need a fix, but it doesn't happen. Then how you can fix that? It's very simple. You have to rename, for example, right arm. I have renamed it as arm R. Arm R. Let me show you. Arms, chest, shoulder, breast, shoulder. Arm. Aquí está. I'm sorry, it's here. Arm R. But I have it on the animation here on the top sheet called right arm. Then I have to rename it to arm R. But I had to do the same on every single transform that I have done on the properties here in this part. Okay, that should do it. Here too, arm R, until finish. This animation is called Mob Reposo. Here on Unity, that animation doesn't appear. See? Arm Reposo doesn't appear. So, I have to change every single part here where on the animation where the right arm has been called and rename it to arm R. And when I finish this, I'm gonna show you how it really works. Let's see. Okay. Sorry for this, but I have to do this in order to show you that it really works. Okay. Arm here. I'm sorry, I'm not a native English speaker, so you have to deal with this. Okay, that's fine. Everything is fine. Then, okay, there is no problem here. That's out. And then I have to save this and export this to FBX. Sorry. Okay, export, and wait a little until the process finish. It should have this automatically done by Blender Studio, but it doesn't do it. So you have to do it manually, as I've shown you. And just to make it clear, you don't give me nothing for this tutorial. So, if you're trying to say that my way of talking English is bad, I already know it. I'm not native English speaker. So, shut the hell your mouth, your trap up, and go get out here. You don't have the right to say anything. This is for free. Until you pay me something, 10, and only 10, you can say everything you want about me. But until that, you have to deal with this. This is a tutorial. For free. You haven't done a single favor to me. So, that's all. Okay. Let's wait until it imports. Okay. Then, just click on Import Animation, Apply, uncheck this. Okay, check it again. Apply. And finally, the animation should have to appear here. In this part isn't appearing, but here, Reposo, it's here. Now it works. That's all. I have lost a lot of animation before because I don't understand this part. I'm a beginner on Blender, so I had that mistake. But when I read this solution on a forum, I have to try it. And it's not a solution that was on the forum. They only reference why. The reason because it doesn't work at the animation. And I just figured that it was because I changed the name of the bone and check it until found that there was in the animation in the action editor that the animation had a problem, that the change of the property values have a problem. Sorry for that. And that's all. So thank you for watching this video. See you later and have a nice day. And sorry for my bad English, but you have to deal with this. If not, go to hell. See you later.